In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock guides in Canva. If you've ever been fine-tuning a design and accidentally nudged a guide out of place, this simple setting will save you time and keep your layout consistent. Guides are those faint lines you use to align text, images, and shapes. They're incredibly helpful for maintaining spacing and symmetry, but because they sit on top of your canvas, it's easy to click them by mistake while editing. Locking them prevents those accidental shifts without getting in the way of your creative work. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're looking at the canvas where you're designing. With your design on screen, move to the top left corner and click File. This opens a small menu with options related to your document and workspace. From here, select Settings. In this area, Canva groups useful toggles that control how your canvas behaves and what you can interact with while editing. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Lock Guides. Click it to turn it on. That's all there is to it. Once this is enabled, your guides are fixed in place. You won't be able to drag or reposition them until you turn the option off again. This means you can move elements, adjust text, and experiment with layouts without worrying about bumping a guide out of alignment. It's helpful to know what this lock does and doesn't affect. Locking guides only applies to the guidelines themselves. Your design elements, photos, shapes, and text remain fully editable. You can still snap items to guides for precise alignment. The snapping behavior doesn't change. The difference is that the guidelines won't be selectable or draggable, which keeps your structure intact as you work. If you return to your design later and need to reorganize your layout, you can go back to the same place and adjust that setting. Locking and unlocking is just a quick toggle, so you can switch it based on what stage of editing you're in. For complex projects with multiple pages or lots of stacked elements, keeping guides locked is a great way to maintain consistency across the entire design. To recap, open your project, click File at the top left, choose Settings, and then click Lock Guides. It's a small change that makes a big difference in keeping your layout neat and your workflow smooth. With guides locked, you can focus on creativity, not cleanup.